In the front of our home, we do not have a water spigot on this side of our house whatsoever. There's actually only one on the far right side of our home. So in order for our water sprinkler to actually work, we have to run a 25-foot water hose all the way from our timer right here. What I really like about it is that it does have these additional little rubber pieces so that there's no kink here. And then these are actually made out of brass. Now, typically it's not ideal to have a water hose going all the way across your yard like this, but for us, this is what works, and this is ideal until we're able to actually put in another water spigot or valve on the other side of our home. You can purchase this water hose up to 200 feet long if that's what you're needing. Came with a water nozzle. It also came with 2 additional O-rings and then some Teflon tape for you to be able to put everything together, which was a nice little added touch. Instead of just buying the water hose, you actually get the water spout with it, which is really nice. This handle has a rubber edging here, but the whole thing is made out of plastic. This here is also rubber. You can adjust the flow here by going ahead and pushing the handle and then twisting this. It does also have several different settings. So you've got cone, jet, center, mist, shower, rinse, flat, soaker, and basically you just turn this in order to make these nozzle adjustments and changes. This is considered a lightweight water hose. It is made out of rubber. What I did like is the fact that it had 3 layers on the inside of the water hose. So there is a kink resistant section on the inside, and then of course 2 layers on the outside for it to not kink on you. It does have a 600 psi when it's not in use, and then when it's in use, anywhere from 150 to 200 psi. Overall, it's worked really, really well for us. Again, it is set up on a timer, so when it kicks on, it has to be transferred from here into this smaller adapter here, and it's functioned very, very well for us. If you thought the review was helpful, guys, please hit that thumb below so other people will know to watch this review. And y'all have a fantastic day.